Oh, okay, this is cool.
What?
Hammers can change your edges on buildings. Like
Oh
I can make
yeah.
triangles.
Do that.
Ooh.
Look much better. You should do that on the
I
igloo.
like it.
Once I'm finished the track.
Yeah!
I'm entering the snow place.
Alright. I didn't even mean to do this. I was just trying to remove a part.
God damn it. So let's play this for like 2.5 hours. More.
Sounds good.
God damn, another flying fish. Good, I can shoot down in the minecart. I still have 100 left. I might almost make it and then not. So I'm just about to enter the snowy area now. Yeah, I see the snow.
Alright. Our new expansion is finished.
Goddamn flying fish! Get off me! Making me waste my frostburning arms.
Ah! Fly fishes! Go away!
Dude, it is crazy up here. Your vision is so low when you're in this blizzard.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know,
Just
that's how
got-
we died.
Wow. Dude, you should come on the track. Come over here with me.
I'm going to. Hold on.
Why they're flying fish in a blizzard? Don't go too fast.
Why?
Well, because I'm not done with the track.
Did you remove a part of the track?
No,
You removed the end, is what I'm trying to say.
you're good. You're just gonna smack. Why'd you do that?
Hey, I'm okay.
Why'd you jump?
Because I was being smart. There's a little island anyways to land on. I'm gonna make it.
I'm out of track. Can I make
Sure.
track up here?
I'm ranked for the igloo. Hey, do you have a sword that does 9 melee damage or more?
I have that 12 one, remember?
No, you never told me.
You gave me it.
Oh yeah! My bad.
I can't see anything.
Ow. Get away. Get away! I'm surrounded, there's a horde! Close the door. Oh my god. Get
Lock
over
the door. They can, if they can get in.
here. No, they can't. They can't see.
Ow! What? Ugh, another eye hit me. Dude, there's like, dude, there's 10 zombies below me trying to jump at me.
Well, there's 20 over here attacking. I don't know how I just survived that. Holy. I have not opened that door ever again. Jesus.
Hold on, I'm dropping a bomb on these fools.
I'm gonna make a bit of an attic system.
Yeah, I murdered them with the bombs. What is that sound?
What?
I hear a noise.
I hear you. I hear you. I hear your rail. I hear your rails. Clink, 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 clink. Oh my god! Okay, start going down. Start going down.
I can't,
Dude,
there's
start
trees
going
in my way.
You need to go down now.
I can't.
Wait,
There's
what? What
still
do you mean?
trees.
No,
I'm just
next
above
turn.
the trees.
Try now.
I'm gonna start going. I'm out of track.
Yeah, I need your help. I can't exit. Right open that door, I'm gonna die.
That's
There's
what
like
the
20
thing. That's what
zombies.
the sound is. Them beating the door. Hey, dude.
There's 20 zombies at the door. Oh,
There's
they're
2
not
zombies
now.
at the door.
No. Look.
3 zombies. 4.
4,
5.
5, 6.
They're walking away because it's daytime.
Tell me how many total were in there.
Oh, there's 6. I got a shackle. There's 7. They're all standing in the same spot.
I told you.
Alright, you're good. They're done.
Alright, yo. I'm getting a little basement. What do you think?
Dude, I got 2 more shackles.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go kill this slime. Yeah, it's daytime now. You can come out.
Ooh! Dude, I have Eskimo pants.
Ooh, put them over your armor.
Right? Boom.
Nice.
Oh.
Do you want to explore
Oh,
the cave underneath it, the igloo?
Yeah.
We can make
Oh,
a
sure.
wall. We can make a door in this wall,
Right here. No, right here.
or we can make a trapdoor. Dude, make the. Hold on. Do you want to make the ice platforms?
Yeah. Put them for here. Put trap door. Oh, yeah, do that. Just put a stack of those over so that we still can walk across if I had to jump over that little gap.
I'm gonna. No, I'm
You
gonna
can
put
wood
in.
ones over there. Wait, no, I got it. I got wood ones.
Wait, do you have a trapdoor?
No. Oh god, I can't get up. Hold on.
If we can make a trapdoor, then we can do that. Hold on, I'm gonna look.
I think we need. Oh yeah, we need metal to do that.
We need to go back. So this, yeah, this is good.
There.
I'm gonna.
Here, please. Ooh. Alright, dude. Whoa! What is this? Oh, it's another altar. Ooh, I found a chest down here.
What's in it?
I mean, vase.
Oh, there's a vase down here, but it.
Dude, I found a heart crystal.
Oh, you have less defense. Take it. But wait, don't put it on yet. Come up back up to the
I fell.
igloo.
Can't see. Hold on. I used to some ore down here.
Got some more rope. I'm gonna come down.
I have a life crystal. Heartbreaker. Got the achievement.
All
Oh,
right,
dude, also
use it. Use it.
Use it?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Woo! Get an extra 20 health.
Yeah. All right. I forgot to put the
Oh.
rope down.
Don't worry, I got these. Wait. Oh yeah, look, see?
Oh yeah, you can put them on the walls. Yeah, we can do that. Nope, that's not it. Yeah, see that. There we go. What's in here? Nothing. Alright, so we should find iron, if we can, down here. Under that thin ice. Careful, there's a dart trap.
Help! 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 God, help me!
Dude, you just go out of the hole that's in the
Oh, there's
ice.
a hole. Okay. Speaking of jump.
There's another dart trap I see down there. Be careful.
A what?
There's a dart trap. See that little face block beneath you? In the under the thin ice? There's another one
Yeah.
below that.
Alright, so what do I need to not step on?
There's a tiny pressure plate that's hard to see.
So should I destroy them?
Ah! It's down there, directly below me, there's one.
I see it. Don't move.
Break it. Break that. See?
Ah!
Yeah, you stepped on the plate. You're not hitting it. Dude,
Got it.
I thought you said you saw it.
It wasn't poison though. Hey, I got a dart trap.
It was poison.
It was a regular dart trap. That's what it is.
Yeah, but all the darts are poison in it.
You ready for a fight down here? Oh god.
I have tons of torches.
Oh god!
Well, I'm.
Ugh. Monster!
Alright.
Get with me. You broke the ice too.
Well,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah, break this
that,
ice
you
right
have to.
Ugh. Got it.
There's tungsten beneath us.
Oh no, it's snowing again.
It's snowing underground.
Look below us. Look below us.
I see
on
it.
my left.
Alright. Sit back.
Alright.
I
Ready?
will open fire.
3, 2, 1. Ah!
We just
Wait.
went by.
Ah! Run!
The track is above us. If we head this way, we can get to the track.
Alright. Why do you have to build so high up?
Well, I can't build on trees.
I mean, I know that, but we could destroy the trees.
Yeah, we can hit the thing
Ow.
over here.
Oh! Haha! Parkour! Peace.
Is there any frostburn arrows over there?
I can't tell. It's so I can't even see.
Well, there should be glowing.
There's a lot. Ooh, hold on. I saw a
Oh
lot.
Jesus! There's like 5 different flying fish.
I saw like a bunch of like pile of items down here.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
go.
Dude, I found all your torches in lens or in a pile.
Blue arrows? Are they blue arrows?
Maybe. Yeah, I see them. Yeah, they're everywhere. Hurry up, be intact.
Dude, I'm going to go grab those.
Hurry up.
I have to walk.
Just go straight and you see him. Distract him. Come for me.
Damn it. Fucking demon eyes.
Come for me. Come
They're
on.
not going to. They're not going to be able to hit you. That's why they're not going for
No,
it.
they were coming for me for a moment.
Yeah, but I'm here now.
Just run forward and you find him. Are you gonna go across? See him? Keep going.
Yeah, I need these arrows.
You got him? Alright, you're
There's
good
one
now.
more.
Wait, there's one more.
What is hitting me?
I don't know.
Oh,
Hey.
Jesus.
I'm in safe area. It's raining still. It's still storming out here.
Is there a place I can grab onto the track?
No.
I think there is up here.
Not
Out
that
of the
I know
snowy
of.
area.
Alright, I'm back home.
Yeah, there is.
Honey, I'm home. Crap, I forgot to jump.
I can almost grab onto the track if I try hard enough. I will grab this. Yeah, I'm on the track now.
Nice.
Alright, those frostburn arrows are very good.
Ooh, star. Give me your raincoat. Give me it. Damn it. Ooh!
Hey.
Jumped. I jumped.